demons waiting for them what don't obey. And mark well me words, mateys, dead men tell no tales.
Trust me.
Aye. All hands on deck. All hands on deck.
Man your stations. Look sharp, lads. I'll get that piece of land if it's the last thing I do. All right, you swabs. It's time to weigh anchor. And look sharp, Mr. Speed. Keep a weather eye out for that infernal crocodile.
It seems we always make these trips to prove what we can roll.
We have to sing a ho yo ho. We sing it whether we come or go, 'cause that's the only song we know. The pirates in the ships.
It's that crocodile.
No fear have ye of evil curses, says you. Properly warned ye be, says I.
Perhaps ye knows too much. Ye've seen the cursed treasure. You know where it be in. Now proceed at your own risk. These be the last friendly words you hear. You may not survive to pass this.
cheer! And if you're ready for some more pirate fun, let me hear a big yo-ho! Yo-ho! Well, we've got plenty more swashbuckling surprises coming your way as we sail deeper and deeper into pirate waters with one very special guest. But for now, mates, cast your eyes on the big screen to meet every pirate's best friend, the head of a hearty band. Give me a big R! For here be the great Jolly Roger!
Well, shiver me timbers and shuck me barnacles. Hey, that sounds like a spa treatment. Anywho, looky here who's still upright after a day filled to the gills with pirate festivities. If you had yourself a whale of a day, let me hear you shout, aye! And did you enjoy them there boom-bity boom-boom-boom fireworks? Aye, me too. Why, I haven't seen that kind of high seas pyrotechnics since I lit a match in the powder room. The black powder room it was! Kaboom! I guess that explains why I ain't got nobody. I'll be here all cruise. Enjoy the rum. If you didn't meet me before, where were ya? We were waiting for ya! And you should have heard what we were saying about you, too. Not pretty. Anywho, pirate folk call me Jolly Roger. But I insist you call me J.R. Now that we've been properly introduced, allow me to say, Great Blackbeard's 90! I just noticed where we be sailing. Take a look-see at this here scene. I don't want you to freak out! But, truth be told, at this very moment, we be sailing through pirate-claimed waters. And I, for one, know full well about all the danger and epic pirate adventures that took place right here, where we now sail. Cast your eyes here, me hearties, and witness just a sample of what I speak. Come on, you coward! Where be my compass, you mangy cur?
No one runs out on me! Where are you?
Face me, a poor excuse for a pirate. Oh, you're calling a poor excuse for a pirate? Ah, show yourself!
Ah, there you are.
Where?
Here. Wait, you're not him.
He's not who?
Yes, he's not who?
He's not who?
Pardon me, exactly who is he not? Captain Jack Sparrow. That was fun.
I'll use that rope to hang him. Wait until I kill him first. Deal!
Run's done, time to run.
Put him on!
Changing course. No, mates, I'm fine. Don't trouble yourselves.
I'll take his hand. Any last words?
Just one.
Kraken! Not so fast, Sparrow!
That's true, that wasn't fast. But this is.
Come back here!
I'd really rather not.
Come back here! Like the heart of a jackpot!
I knew you'd come around.
Sparrow!
didn't walk love, it was more of a sprint.
You said you loved me!
He said he loved me!
Ladies, and I do use that term loosely. Are you sure it was me?
Yes!
Your time's up, Sparrow. You can't escape us this time. Aye! Stand back, you laggards. He's mine. No, he's mine.
No, he's mine!
Yours, he's mine.
Is there anyone here who's just happy to see me? I do appreciate all your attention and affection, but you'll always remember this is the day that you almost caught Captain Jack Sparrow.